Say man, hey man, tell a friend to tell a friend that Boostedfit is in. And today I have a full body calisthenics workout for you guys. We will be doing a circuit. So first off, we have 10 pull-ups. As you guys can see, I'm doing the pull-ups right now. Then we will go over and do 10 leg raises, followed by 10 dips and then 10 squats, and that will complete the first set of the circuit. And then you will take a 45 seconds to a 1 minute break after that, and then you will repeat 2 more times after this first set. And I'm doing these in the gym. A lot of people do their calisthenics outside. Of course, I will go outside at a later date, but that Mississippi heat is something else, so I have to find the right time of day to go out there and do them outside. But I'm starting my calisthenics back off, man. I was doing it for a little while, then I stopped and back on it, stopped, back on it again. You know how I go, but I'm back on it again. But I'm still incorporating some weight training, but right now I'm focused on the body weight exercises. And as you can see, like I said, I'm in the gym, man, so a lot of people are in my gym, and I'm just trying to give you guys the footage and give you the voiceover so you can know what I'm doing. Even if you can't see me up close and personal, I'm over there in the corner with the yellow shirt on for the people that don't know. I'm on the squat part of the workout now, and it's 10 squats. So make sure you are doing these things right. I know a lot of people can't do the pull-ups. A lot of people can't do the dips, the leg raises. I'm pretty sure you can do the squats, but I'm not going to say this is a super beginner workout, but the beginners can do it. You know, you don't necessarily have to do 10 reps on everything, okay? So do however many reps you can do. That's what I want you guys to go out there and complete. So if it's 1 rep, if it's 2 reps, that's fine. Just do the same thing on the next exercise, okay? That's all I want you guys to do. And right now, I'm taking my 45 second to 1 minute break. Take that time to get you a drink of water, stretch yourself out, do things like that to keep your body warm. You can walk around the gym, you can walk around outside, wherever you are doing this workout, but this is a great workout. Like I said, I'm getting back into doing calisthenics, so I will be bringing you guys more advanced stuff later on, but right now, I'm just trying to get my feet wet again, man, and get out there and make something happen with these calisthenics, man, to see how it would change my body. And the pull-ups, man, I've been neglecting the pull-ups for a little while because I've been having a little back issues, you know, not like from doing any heavy weight. I think I pulled a muscle in my back or something, at least that's what it feel like. But I'm healed now, man. I'm a lot better, and I'm able to do my pull-ups like I used to without having any pain the next day. Well, not necessarily pain. I wouldn't say pain. Let me stop saying pain. But it's just a nagging, I don't know what kind of feeling it is, but it's a muscle. You can tell it's a muscle, you know what I'm saying? So I've been in sports a long time. I've been working out a long time, so I know my body, and I know what I can and can't do, and I know when I need to take my rest. I know when I need to go back out there and go hard like I normally do. So that's something you guys have to understand. You need to know your body, okay? If you can't do 10 pull-ups, I understand. That's fine. I'm not over here to judge anybody. So we do have an assisted pull-up machine in our gym. You can use that to do your pull-ups if you want to. The same thing for the dips and the leg raises, okay? So you can get on machines that will help you do that. I didn't do it in this video, but I may make a video to show you guys that can't really do the pull-ups, how to get on the assisted pull-up machine and do you some pull-ups, okay? And right now, I did take my second break, so I'm resting 45 seconds to 1 minute. I got a clock in my head, so I really don't need a timer or anything like that, but if you need your timer, then go ahead and use your timer. And I'm waiting on Buddy to move right there so I can do my last set. I had planned to do more sets, but I decided to go ahead and stop at 3. But I was feeling pretty good after the 3 sets. You know, I wasn't too tired. I wasn't too, I ain't gonna say weak, but I wasn't at the point to where I was burnt out, okay? So I did feel really, really good doing these pull-ups, man, and I love pull-ups. I just had to take a break from them for a little while, but doing pull-ups gave me the best look for my back. As you can see, my back right now, it's not too shabby, man, but like I said, the pull-ups will help you with everything, man. It works your core, it works your back, upper back, your lats, your biceps, you know, everything, man. You know what I'm saying? And then once you go over to the leg raises, I understand that people can't do the leg raises, but if you can, man, it's a great core exercise. And it kind of shocked me that I was able to do all of my leg raises because my lower back sometimes can get a little tight, but I've been working on that too. And for the dips, I love the dips, man. You know, so Make sure you are not leaning too far forward so you won't hurt yourself. You know, you can easily hurt the shoulders when you are doing the dips. So if the dips are too much for you, then find your alternative to that workout, okay? And we are doing the chest dips. You can do the tricep dip, but you just have to lean back a little bit more. But I'm leaning forward a little bit because we are doing the chest dips. And for the squats, man, you already know, man, squats are not that hard, but for some people it may be hard, and a lot of people like to do the pistol squats that are doing the calisthenics workout. But that's the workout right there, man. 30 pull-ups, 30 leg raises, 30 dips, and 30 squats. Make sure you love those that love you, and I'm out of here like last year, y'all. Ciao!